Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. A few videos back I shared a swap that I received from Rosa Gomez, and she decorated the shipping box so cute. And I've done that before, and it does take work, so I didn't want her work to go wasted, if you will. So I knew when I saw the box and I opened it, I knew I wanted to do something with it. So I decorated the box, and I will show you in a little bit how I decorated it. So the piece that she had put on the bottom, she kind of just laid it in there, which I am now glad that she did, because I was able to use that piece. And I just put some pink, some soft pink paper at the bottom. You know, the flaps don't go all the way in. So you have this gap right in the center here. So what I did was I took another piece of box, the shipping box, and I cut it out and I glued it to the center so that this would be nice and smooth. You know, there were no dips or ripples in there. So that's what I did for the bottom. So anyway, again, this is her box from the inside. Okay, so for the bottom, I didn't do anything. That's still her shipping box at the bottom. So what I did was I covered, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. I covered the bottom with strips of pink paper, and I didn't go all the way to the top because, I didn't need to. So I covered the bottom with pink paper, and then I glued lace all the way around. And then this is where that bottom piece that she had inside the box comes into play, because what was on here was half the girl's shoes. And since this was going to be my front, I kind of wanted the whole image. I could have just covered it up, but I really like that little girl. So she sent me these little doilies. So I glued on a little doily with a bow, and that one I got from Sherry Jones. This was the bag topper that she had sent me. I used the bag topper. I just took out the paper clips on the inside. I took off the bag topper part, and I glued the envelopes shut, and then I left this one on there because I thought that was cute, and I just glued it down right there. And over here I just made a lace bow, and I used the strawberry cabochon from Happy Crafter Shop in that business to business collab we had. She had included the strawberry. Perfect, right? And then I made a handle for it. This faux leather comes from my BFF. She sent me a box full of vinyl and faux leather. So I took I just cut out a piece of faux leather, and I put some bling on it, and then I glued it down. Obviously, it's going to go on a shelf, but I'm not going to pull it from the handle. That, it's really just for decorative purposes. And then she sent me this love. It was on top of the box, on top of the swap. So I thought I would go ahead and use that one. And I kind of didn't want to cover up this right here, because that's another piece that I actually wanted on the front. So it worked out perfect to where I was able to use that inside piece. And then I glued some bling all the way around, because you know me, I gotta have some bling. So here is the other side. And again, that girl is so pretty. I just love that image. And then here's the back side. And then here is the other side. And like I said, here is the bottom. You can tell it's a priority box, but once it's on a shelf, you cannot tell. I just love the way it turned out. Rosa, if you're watching, thank you so much. I love what you did with the box. I do not have this collection, therefore I thought it was gorgeous. So I get to have that collection and keep it. What will I put in here? Well, for the time being, I'm just going to put her swap in here, what she sent me. If I have not put it away yet, I'm going to go ahead and put it in here and store it in here for now. But after I use up or store away what, put everything in its place that she sent me, then I will think about what I'm going to use this for. I'm still not sure. So I know I'll find something to put in here. But anyway, there is an idea of what you can do with your boxes that have been sent to you that are decorated, and yeah, that's work. I know it's something kind of simple, but it's still work. I've done that before, and it's still, you gotta measure and cut and glue, and so I just thought I could actually use that, and I will. There you go, guys. Super, super cute. I love how it turned out. And I hope you get inspired to use your decorated boxes. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.